Hey, this is Rudy. I'm the co-founder of QuantCopy, and I'm going to show you how you can run 1,000 searches in one go. Every day we run loads of searches online, in our SaaS tools, and on third-party databases. It's manual, it's time-consuming, and in the next 2 minutes, I'm going to show you just how painful it is. Here is a video of me manually doing some research. Very simple. I'm looking at some companies, I'm looking at their vision, I'm looking at their strategy, I'm looking at the initiatives. As you can notice, this video is played 8 times faster than real time. And as you can see here, the first thing I'm doing is really just mapping out what I really want to know and putting it in a spreadsheet like a framework. I'm focusing on BT, which is the first company in my list. And you can see here, I'm simply looking at the website, kind of trying to find the annual report and struggling a bit to find the things I'm looking for. I go back, I get lost a bit more. I kind of go onto Google and see whether I can find something else. And finally, I find something that has the same title, but somehow has different content. Now I'm going through every page of this 200-page PDF, leveraging Control F, reading through it, getting a bit lost, and trying to copy and paste useful information into my spreadsheet. As you can see here, I'm just kind of lost reading stuff. I'm trying to remember what really is important to me. My phone is ringing. I'm worried about the meeting in 5 minutes. And overall, it's not really productive. Furthermore, as you can see here, I am transferring information into the spreadsheet. And now I just need to kind of really clean it up. Otherwise, it's not digestible. It's very hard to action on it. And it's just a lot of text that nobody really wants to read. And I still need to do 4 more of these, or maybe 400 more of these, depending on what kind of research I'm doing. Let's go through how we can do this 10 times faster on QuantCopy. So QuantCopy is just a very simple way for you to run thousands of searches in one go. Here I'm logged into the web dashboard, which allows me to set up different research projects. In this particular one, I already have set it up such that we know we're investigating companies, people, and insights related to all 2 of these things. The first thing I'm doing is much like what I've done in my manual process. I'm simply putting in the topics or otherwise the companies I'm trying to investigate into QuantCopy. Notice how all we need is the name of the company and the website of the company for QuantCopy to understand what are the topics or what are the entities that we are trying to research, much like what a human would do. The next step is for us to go look at people, which is another type of objects that are related to the companies we're investigating. Much more powerful than just looking online, we enable you to search through these people. Here in the last page, I'm simply looking for insights that are useful to me as a researcher. As you can see here, all the questions that I've been asking on my spreadsheet just now, I'm putting in as search terms into a list in QuantCopy. In particular, you can see that for technology, because it's such a wide search term, we're constraining it into only search results from the annual report. You can do all sorts of complex questions within QuantCopy, and you can do all of these questions, thousands and thousands of them in one go. After you've finished setting this up, you can see that I've asked all the questions I want to ask, so I'm simply scheduling this. In just a little time, QuantCopy has real-time gone out there and ran thousands of searches for me. I get a notification email, and I'm going back into QuantCopy. I can see now that I get redirected to the Insights tab, which is really where all the search results live. You can see here the first report that I'm getting is from BT, and I've got a very nice table on everybody who works within BT that relates to my search terms in the Personas tab. The second thing is you can see that all the search results have been summarized, aggregated, and merged into a beautiful looking, very digestible report in the middle. And you can see that everything that we've manually copy and pasted into a spreadsheet is present within QuantCopy. Not only this, not only has QuantCopy helped me do my research on BT, it's helped me do my research on the other 4 companies or the other 100 companies or what have you. No matter how big is the scale of a research you're trying to do, you can do it in one click on QuantCopy. If I need the source, I simply click on the search result. Like any other search engine, I get brought directly to the source. What do I do now? QuantCopy gives me a complex set of workflow tools to track how I'm going through my research, how I'm prioritizing what I'm looking for, This helps me act on perfect information every time, and that is QuantCopy.